Main software interface based on Limon Editor. On the top bar you will find software version information, project name, and information about the defined coordinate system. Below is the main menu, which consists of 6 drop-down submenus. To expand them, left-click the mouse button on the description. Under the main menu is the Toolbar Management panel, which may differ according to the version of the software. After right-clicking on an empty field, information about the available windows and toolbars that can be switched on and off from here will be displayed. The Document toolbar is unchecked by default. Is available in Viewer Pro and Editor Pro versions. There is no need to select it because this bar will appear automatically when a document is added to the view. To customize the display of these items yourself, simply hover the cursor over the beginning of the bar and click the left mouse button when the cursor turns to a cross. Holding down the left mouse button, move each bar freely and dock it in the desired location. The section of the screen where the user would like to place the bar will be highlighted in blue. The icons in the first bar of the toolbar allow the opening and closing of the relevant windows. To set the visibility of the windows according to personal preference, just select the window while holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to desired place. They can be positioned anywhere in the main window or docked in one of the side panels. In order to dock a window in the side panel, it must be dragged to the appropriate location in the panel, which will then highlight in blue. It's possible to overlay one window on top of another or split the side panel so that two windows could be visible at the same time. Having several windows open, it's possible to switch between them by choosing its title at the bottom of the panel. The first icon in the toolbar is Toggle Docks. After clicking on it, all docked windows are hidden. Click again to return them to the view.